Warning, warning, everybody. Interactive broker just showed implied movement of 22% up or down for GameStop earnings today after hours. You see it here. We might have a huge volatility for GameStop. And of course, we have options, call options around the $20, 52,000 call options around this price. And after that, we have 23,000 call options around the $30. So what's this tell us? This tell us that a huge trader, mini trader, betting that the price will go toward the $20 and the $30 by tomorrow pre-market or even today after hours. So watch out for a huge volatility. Again, we have short seller have lost almost 1 billion, guys, 1,500,000,000 in just 5 days. And of course, we have to discuss the 22% of the company float is being shorted by those companies. We have WS Management, we have Simplex Trading, we have, of course, Citadel is there, and we have Group 1 Trading. All those hedge funds are losing a lot of money, over 1 billion, almost 2 billion in just 5 days, and they're still holding because they betting about the price of GameStop going down. However, as we said here, we have many call options. First, around the $20, 52,000 call options, then 23,000 call options. Of course, the half of the $20 call options is around the $30. So we have to watch out, guys, because today we're gonna have a volatility. As we see in Interactive Broker, they expect volatility of 22%, and we might have 35%. That's why we have the volatility of 22% just activated on Interactive Broker. They expect a huge flood of a huge volume for GameStop by today after hours. So we have to watch out for the trigger for that. We might have this reaction for today. We're gonna have a huge test and break for this resistance. If we broke it, guys, and we hold over the 1738 for today for GameStop, we're gonna have huge pump, not 22%, but almost 35%. Let me just check here. We might have 35% in just few minutes for GameStop. And of course, if we had this reaction, of course, AMC will move again. Of course, AMC will move with GameStop. However, for AMC, we have lowered resistance around the $7.14. So this is the first test for AMC around the $4.15. After that, the major squeeze will confirm for AMC if GameStop, of course, broke the 1738. For AMC is the $7.53. If we broke that for AMC is mean the apes that bought GameStop, they buying AMC, and this is will trigger the squeeze for AMC as well over the $7.50, and this is will give us, let me just check how much we can do for AMC, at least 18% around the $8.23. After that, we're gonna have the $9.48. However, everything can go. If we got volatility down, watch out for this support for AMC, the 652. Because if we broke it, we're gonna have a flush down. For GameStop, the same. We have to confirm. If the hedge funds added huge position again, if we broke the 1430 is mean a huge weakness, and we're gonna have the volatility down instead, almost 30% around the $10. So this is where we're gonna have a reversal. So if you want to buy the dip, this is not a financial advice. If we have a dip, and if you want to buy the dip instead, because if we don't have a reaction up, make sure to watch out for the $10, because this is a psychological level that we have to reverse from it. And of course, here we're gonna trigger buy limit order will be triggered by huge whales. So the whales will buy GameStop. You know why? Because it's a price value. The other big billionaires, they're watching for those kind of stocks that hitting price value, then they buying. And this is will trigger a reversal, and we could actually enter with the whale for a reversal. So whatever the price will go, guys, whatever the price will go. If we have a breakout here, hallelujah, we can have 35% up. If we went down, we could buy the dip, and we might have the 30% from the bottom. So the idea here, be flexible. If the price go down, buy the dip. If the price go up, buy the rip. However, we have to watch out for those two levels. For GameStop first, then watch for AMC, because GameStop will give us the first doorway for the huge flood that make the short seller covering up. For GameStop is the 1430 for the support, 1738 is the resistance. Of course, if we broke, we're gonna have the 2030, 2750. Let me just check how much for the second one, 78, and of course the 35, almost 122%. GameStop already did that before, AMC already did that before. Jump like 100% is easy if we have the cover up for GameStop. So watch out for this huge volatility for the day. Tomorrow we're gonna do pre-market update for GameStop on our Discord, because we almost every time we do a pre-market update for you guys on our Discord and Patreon, of course, to discuss the market, and we're gonna discuss, of course, where we enter and where we exit, because if we have the reaction by today after hours, we're gonna discuss tomorrow where we should enter for tomorrow hunt. And of course, on YouTube, we're gonna do live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching, and see you by tomorrow. Let me know in comment section below where the price will go for GameStop. Are we gonna have the 20 or the 27? Or toward the $10. Drop it down below. See you tomorrow.